How to change the default messaging app for your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro or the 14 Pro phone with Android 15 HyperOS 2. First, use the quick access and look for the settings toggle. Tap on it one time, this will take you to the main settings, then go down until you see apps. This option here. As you enter it, at the very top right, there is three dots. Tap on that and you'll see other settings. Go to other settings. Once here, you'll see default apps. And as you enter here, you're looking for messaging. Then you'll see the different messaging apps. If you made it this part here and you notice you only see one messaging app, you'll need to go into the Play Store and install free messaging apps and only those that are compatible. So go to Play Store, typing messages or messaging apps, find those that are compatible, install them, and they should work. Like and sub.